Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Instagram on your Mac, even though there's no official macOS app. It's super easy, and it'll feel just like using a real app. Let's get into it. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, head to Instagram.com. Then, in the top menu bar, click File and choose Add to Dock. A small window will appear. You can rename the shortcut if you'd like, but I'll leave it as Instagram. Click Add and you'll see the Instagram icon pop up in your dock. Here's the best part. When you click on that icon, Instagram launches in its own window, completely separate from Safari. Even if you close the browser, the app stays open just like a native app. Let me show you. I'll quit Safari, and as you can see, Instagram is still running. If you're on an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option, don't worry. I've dropped a link in the description with an alternative method that works just as well. And that's it. You've now got Instagram on your Mac as a standalone app. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.